Hello everyone, welcome to Kids Art. If you want to learn more drawing skills, please subscribe our channel, Kids Art, your first art class. In this tutorial, we're gonna draw the Little Mermaid. We start from her ears with the two curvy lines. Then we add the top of the head, making sure the head is basic on the oval shape, so trying to make the head main shape keep on the oval. Let's use the different size of the curved line drawing the ears. Inside of the ears, let's draw the face. On the right side, we're gonna draw her ear. On the face, we use the two circle shape as the eyes. We left a circle as the highlight. And then we use the semi-oval as the mouth. Let's add the eyebrow with the two curvy lines. Let's finish the ears. The neck under the head. Then we do the small shoulder. Inside of the body, we do the two curvy lines drawing the shell. After that, we finish the ears with the curved lines. Then we're gonna finish the cake part. The first layer of the cake is the creamy part. Down the bottom of the cake, we use the circle as the pearl. The last is the plate. It's basic on the flat oval shape. Let's add the design on her ears. You can do the star or the other shell style. And then we add some bubble around her. Let's add some details on the shell. Well done, guys! Let's start coloring now. The first one, we're gonna use the skin color coloring the face. Slow down, take your time. If you left any white gap, please cover it. We're gonna use the same color coloring the ear and her body. Well done, guys! Then we're gonna use the pink coloring her mouth. What is the color of the Little Mermaid ears? You can use the red or the other colors you like. We're gonna use this one color coloring all of the ears. A quite big place, so take your time, slow down. If you're afraid of drawing outside of the shape, you can, like me, outline with the borderline first, then coloring in the middle. Do you like this Little Mermaid? What is the favorite character you like? Please leave the message. I will choose the one drawing next time. And let's finish the left side of the hairs. Well done, guys! You finished the big work. The next color, we're gonna use the dark red, drawing some shades on the hairs that make it more 3D. If you don't have the dark red, you can use the light brown instead of it. Then we're gonna use yellow coloring the star on her hair. The purple is the good choice for the shell, but if you like the other colors, you can use them. Let's design the cake now. The first color, I'm gonna use the pink, drawing the core shadow on the creamy part. If you like using the other colors, I think that will be great. The body of the cake, I will use the turquoise, the lighter one, coloring it. This turquoise is kind of like the green color. The green is the complementary colors of the red, so those two colors compared together looks great. Then we're gonna use the dark turquoise drawing the cast shadow on the body, which is come from the creamy part. That means the shapes will follow the cream shapes. What is your favorite color of the pearl? I'm gonna use a light blue to coloring it. You can see I left the really skinny highlight on the top of this circle. That will make the pearl look shining. And then I'm gonna use the sky blue doing the core shadow down the bottom. It used the curved line to draw. And we use this coloring the bubble. Let's add some sugar on the creamy part. What color you want to do, you can design your own one. I'm gonna use the same yellow coloring the plate. You can see I outline the pearl because I don't wanna coloring inside of the part. Take your time, slow down. The last color, I'm gonna use the orange, drawing some lights on the creamy part. You also can add the different things on it. Well done, guys! Thanks for your hard work. If you like to learn more drawing, please push the like button and subscribe our channel. Thank you. See you next time.